Today, we're going to be checking the effects of cut speed. You will see the change in the plasma arc in the video. If you cut too slow, the arc will look unstable and dross is formed. See the arc bouncing forwards. Cutting with normal speed, the arc shoots straight down and you get a clean cut. Cutting too fast, the arc shoots backwards. Dross that is difficult to remove will form. Too low speed will show as an unstable arc. Also, dross that is easy to remove is formed into the bottom of the part. Correct cutting speed shows the arc shooting straight down. If you cut too fast, you can see the lag lines shooting backwards. Also, the bottom section of the cut surface is rough and dross that is hard to remove is formed. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.